Stop and pay close attention to this short video, as I'm about to lift the curtains onto the new era of artificial intelligence. Before moving forward, let's see this. It's 2023, and with a majority of businesses willing to catch their customers' attention and getting them hooked forever, there's no doubt in the fact that artificial intelligence is the only way for businesses to grow and sustain in the long run. But the only problem is, today there are tons of artificial intelligence-based tools that promise a lot but deliver seldom. Along with that, even if there are some good tools, they are either too complex to use or the workflow is too big and using them becomes a tough nut for everyone. Now figure this out. What if, in just a few months from now, you log into your computer in the morning and instead of facing a daunting list of marketing tasks, you can do everything by just entering a keyword? Yes, that's true. We have decided to fix this problem forever and make it easier for all success-hungry marketers out there. After brainstorming constantly and spending thousands of dollars and months into research and development, we are here with a revolutionary all-in-one technology. Proudly presenting AI Marketo. AI Marketo is a powerhouse all-in-one platform supercharged with not one, but 6 AI engines. This robust system enables you to craft comprehensive business campaigns, including tailored content, in just seconds. But it doesn't stop there. With AI Marketo, you can deliver premium services and command top-tier fees in return. Forget the hassle of juggling multiple AI tools to generate the perfect business name, SEO-rich copy, domain name suggestions, content, social media posts, ad headlines, product descriptions, and more. AI Marketo has you covered. Our platform uses customized workflows that deliver exactly what you need from just a single keyword. It's not just efficient, it's revolutionary. AI Marketo swiftly generates high-quality marketing assets tailored to your niche. You're no longer spending countless hours on repetitive tasks or struggling with creative blocks. AI Marketo has streamlined your processes, freeing up your time to focus on strategic growth initiatives. You're constantly impressed by the quality and consistency of the content, which matches, if not surpasses, expert-level output. Your marketing efforts are scaling like never before. You're reaching new audiences, launching more campaigns, and experiencing unprecedented growth, all without stretching your resources thin. The days of being limited by time constraints or a lack of automation are behind you. Budget? It's no longer a constant concern. You've cut costs significantly by reducing the need for external agencies or specialized hires. Yet the quality of your marketing assets has never been better. You look at your campaign performance and there's clear, measurable ROI. You can confidently present these results to stakeholders, secure in your data-driven proof of success. Plus, you're always on top of the latest trends, ensuring you stay ahead in the highly competitive digital marketing landscape. Here are some more reasons to love AI Marketo. Say goodbye to hard selling. AI Marketo eliminates the need to hard sell. No need to waste time explaining complex concepts, and no more waiting for months to see outcomes. You're offering something your clients will easily grasp and seriously need right now. A done-for-you business that converts into money in the bank. Get more done with less work. AI Marketo can do time-consuming work like looking at your clients' data, writing their emails, and creating their social media posts. This means you can do more stuff for more clients without working harder. Save money. Using AI Marketo, you don't have to hire a lot of people to help you. This means you can keep more money or make your prices lower for your clients while making money for your agency. Grow your business. AI Marketo can help you set up your agency in a few clicks, do bigger projects, or work with more clients without needing more money or more people to get the job done. Personalized campaigns. AI Marketo can look at your client's customer information to make marketing campaigns that fit their target audience. This can make your clients happier and help them sell more stuff. Know what's coming. AI Marketo can guess what customers will do and what will be popular. This means that you can change your client's marketing to make it better. Increased revenue for clients. By making better and faster marketing, you can help your clients make more money. This makes your agency more valuable and you make more money too. Works 24/7, 365 days a month without any holidays. AI Marketo can work around the clock, meaning you can offer your clients continuous service without any sick leaves or vacations. discover new opportunities. AI Marketo can find new trends or customer interests that your clients might not see. This lets you offer new ideas to your clients, helping them make more money. And when you bring fresh ideas to your clients, they'll see your agency as a valuable partner and will want to keep working with you. Improve customer engagement. AI Marketo creates marketing messages that really connects with each person. This can make customers more interested in what your clients are selling, which means they'll buy more. Unlock significant earnings with AI Marketo. With AI Marketo, you can transform your income potential and generate 5 to 6 figures a month, giving you everything you'll need to create high-converting sales pages, effective social media campaigns, captivating videos, and strategic marketing plans using our advanced AI workflows. Boost your marketing impact across all channels with AI Marketo. Whether you're crafting copy for paid ad campaigns, creating engaging social media posts, producing compelling videos, detailing e-commerce and Amazon products, or writing SEO-rich blog posts, AI Marketo can generate high-quality, tailored content for each platform, driving engagement, improving visibility, and maximizing your return on investment. Now, if you grab your copy during this limited-time launch offer, you get premium bonuses that are priceless for free. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. And with our rock-solid 30-day guarantee, there's no risk whatsoever attached. Take my word, this is truly a game-changer, and there is nothing like this out there at such a low price. But here's a fair warning. Once this special time period gets over, AI Marketo will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So, stop thinking and grab your copy today at the lowest price ever. Hit the button below to get instant access to AI Marketo today. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.